Hi, I'm Darina Castillo, Site Manager with the U.S. Department of Energy, Office of Legacy Management. The Attleboro site, formerly the Chepac Landfill Superfund site, is located on the border between Norton and Attleboro, Massachusetts. The Chepac Landfill, which operated at the site from 1946 through early 1970s, accepted household and industrial waste, including chemical and low-level radioactive waste. In 1978, the U.S. Nuclear Regulatory Commission found depleted uranium, as well as natural and enriched uranium that had been disposed of at the site between 1957 and 1966. In 1980, DOE found radioactive material throughout the landfill and in the groundwater. During the survey, DOE removed 800 to 900 pounds of drum radioactive waste. The site was added to the National Priorities List in June 1986. The selected remedy documented in the Record of Decision was implemented in two parts. The formerly utilized Site's Remedial Action Program, or FUSRAP, related contamination was addressed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and non-radiological contamination was addressed by the performing defendants following the FUSRAP cleanup. Restrictions have been put in place to prevent disturbance of some inaccessible radiologically contaminated soils located near utility poles at the site. The majority of the site is covered in grass with some restored wetlands. The City of Attleboro performs groundwater monitoring, enforces the groundwater controls, and submits annual reports to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA, and the Massachusetts Department of Environmental Protection. EPA conducts 5-year reviews to ensure that the remedy continues to provide adequate protection of human health and the environment. EPA removed the site from the National Priorities List in September 2017. LM's responsibilities are limited to managing site records and responding to stakeholder inquiries.